Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on your Casio A164W. So what we want to do is to press the mode button until we arrive at the stopwatch. And here we have the ST, which is going to stand for stopwatch. There are going to be a few ways in which we can use the stopwatch, more particularly 3 different options. So the first one is going to be to use the button on the right. So I can use it to start, pause, continue, so start again, pause, and I can do this indefinitely. And then in order to reset it, I'm going to press the light or lap reset button, and it is going to reset back to 0. So this was the first way in which we can use the stopwatch. The second one is going to be to use it for the lap. So I'm going to start the stopwatch, and then instead of pressing this one, I'm going to press the lap button. And as you can see right here, now I can write down the time that it took me for my first lap. So 4 seconds and 68. And then in order to continue, as you can see right here, these dots are flickering, flashing. This means that the stopwatch is running in the background. So if I press the lap reset button, it is going to give me the total time. So I'm still recording, and then I can do the second lap. So I have the total time for, let's say, my second one, and then I can continue and do the third one. So this would be the only option in which we can record the laps. We do not have a memory as you would do in, let's say, Ironman, triathlons, or other watches that have, let's say, 30 lap options. This is going to be the only way in which we can record, so the total time since inception. And that is going to be one way. I can then pause, and then I can reset to 0. Now the third option is going to be to record the first and second place. So this is going to be where we have 2 runners. So it is going to work only for 2 runners. And I'm going to start the stopwatch at the beginning of the race. And then as the first runner goes past the finishing line, I'm going to press the lap button. And as you can see right here, the stopwatch is, as I mentioned, running in the background. And then once the second runner is going to go past the finishing line, I'm going to press the other button, so the button on the right. And as you can see right now, the stopwatch has stopped. This means that at this exact moment, the stopwatch isn't running in the background, since the 2 dots right here aren't flickering, flashing. So we have the time for the first runner. I'm going to write it down, 10 seconds and 40 hundredths of a second. And then when I'm going to press the lap reset button, I'm going to see the time for the second runner. So I'm going to note down now 22 and 10 seconds. And then when I'm going to press it again, it is going to reset to 0. So these are the 3 ways in which you can use the stopwatch, and you can apply this exact tutorial to all Casio watches that feature the 3 button configuration. In case you want to watch the full guide for this particular model, so how to set the time and date, how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, how to use the alarm, so how to also activate and deactivate both the alarm and the hourly beep, and also how to set it, I'm going to post a full guide in the description box below. And also guys, in case you want to know how to adjust the bracelet, so in case it is too tight or too loose, I'm going to post that as well. And also a full guide on how to replace the watch battery and how to do the AC reset at the same time. So these are going to be all the videos that you will be able to find in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.